Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is 100-day challenge on Matlab Low. So the task for today is we are just going to find whether the given number is prime or not, or like a prime or not. It is if it is a not prime, then it is a composite number, and also only one number which is neither prime nor composite, that is 1. Okay, so I have used if else loop. Okay, so in the if first part, that part is for to find whether the number is neither prime nor composite. So it is very easy, since only one number is neither prime nor composite. I have given this x divided by 1 equal to 1. Okay, so this just detects if 1 is just feeded as an input, then it just detects it is a neither prime nor composite. Okay, and in the second part, else if part, I have just written a condition for prime number to find the number as prime number. And in the third condition part, I have just written if it is not a prime number, if it is also not a neither prime nor composite number, without any condition check, we can just tell that is a composite number. Okay, so that is what this program is. So let us go check the output. So I have already ran. Okay, like let me clear it and run it for you. Okay, so now 1, I'm just feeding 1 as the input, so it should be neither prime nor composite. Yes, and now right now I'm just giving 78, so which is composite number, and 19, that is the prime number again. Let us check some more number also, 2, so that is a prime number. Okay, now let me check another one, 29, it is a prime number. Okay, so you can just feed any input of your choice and check whether it is a prime or composite, or prime or composite. Okay, just have a look at the program on last time. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. I'm ready to answer your queries, and that's all for this particular video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.